Next time you have a headache, try these natural tricks. Hi, I'm Dr. Name, and today I'll guide you through 5 easy, natural methods to relieve headaches quickly. These remedies are safe, effective, and you can do them at home. Let's get started. Applying peppermint oil on your temples can help relax the muscles and reduce the tension that causes headaches. Take a few drops, rub them gently on your temples, and inhale the soothing aroma. Dehydration is a common trigger for headaches. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Herbal teas like ginger or chamomile can also calm inflammation and provide relief. Sip slowly and feel the difference. Stress can make headaches worse. Deep breathing exercises and short meditation sessions can relax your mind and reduce headache intensity. Try inhaling for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Repeat a few times. Certain acupressure points can provide instant relief. Press gently between your thumb and index finger for 1 to 2 minutes. Massage the temples or the base of your skull. These techniques improve blood flow and reduce tension. Depending on the type of headache, a cold or warm compress can help. For tension headaches, warm compresses relax stiff muscles. For migraine headaches, ice packs help numb the pain. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes and repeat if needed. These simple natural methods can help you manage headaches safely at home. Try them and see which one works best for you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more natural health tips.
Hello, I'm Dr. Name. Depending on your headache type, a cold or warm compress can help. For tension headaches, a warm compress relaxes tight muscles. For migraines, an ice pack can numb the pain. Apply the compress to your forehead or the back of your neck for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat if necessary, and always use a cloth between the skin and compress to protect your skin.
Next time you have a headache, try these natural tricks. I'll guide you through some easy, natural methods to relieve headaches quickly, all without any medications. Let's get started. Dehydration is a common trigger. Drink plenty of water. Herbal teas like ginger or chamomile can also calm inflammation and provide relief. Sip slowly and feel the difference. Stress can make headaches worse. Deep breathing can relax your mind. Try inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4, and exhaling for 6. Repeat this a few times. These simple methods can help you manage headaches safely at home. Try them and see what works for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips.